Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it. This home is located in Pesquera Lake at 570 57th Avenue West. It's lot 31 in Bradenton, Florida. For pricing and full details on this home, please see the description under the title below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos. You can see these are nicely maintained roads. The lot sizes are quite large, and this one has a view of the lake. There's easily room for 2 cars in this driveway and carport. This is a 1972 updated single-wide home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, set up as a split plan with a little over 900 square feet. The home is being offered unfurnished, but the sellers would consider a furniture package for those of you interested and would be negotiated outside of the sale of the home. As I mentioned, this is a split plan, so living area, kitchen, dining room is all in the center of the home, with the primary suite on one end and a guest suite on the other. The living area is quite spacious. This whole area does have a lift in it, so the ceilings are quite high. I'm estimating around 9 feet until you get into the dining room area. There are lots of handcrafted and wonderfully designed features in the home. There's some very interesting light fixtures that have various lighting grades and colors. We have oversized fans in every room and very nice vinyl plank flooring. We have a faux fireplace that actually does produce heat. You'll see the custom stained molding all throughout the house. The guest suite is located on the front of the home with its own private bathroom. We have a very on-trend barn door shower, oversized shower head, tile enclosure, and a beautiful matte black finish fixtures. The bathroom is accented by the turquoise shiplap and custom lighting. There's a nice bay window here extending the front of the home slightly, and all of the windows do have the 2-inch blinds. This is your flex room currently being used as an office and exercise room. It does have its own wall unit air conditioning system. Welcome to this beautifully designed kitchen. I think you can really get a feel for the height of the ceiling in the area. This does have all new cabinetry, full tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. We have a custom built center island with bar seating. The matte black finish is carried on to this farm style sink and faucet. There's some additional storage here in the pantry. The back end of the home really is the owner's retreat. Beautifully designed bathroom with recessed lighting, shiplap walls, tile, tub, and shower enclosure, and new vanity and lighting. You'll see here we have our washer and dryer and laundry station. And the primary bedroom is spacious with plenty of lighting and its own bay window. We have a walk-in closet system. The recessed lighting is carried on here, both for aesthetics and functionality. All the windows in the rear end of the home here are replaced, as are some in the front of the home. This home has all of what you want in just the right amount of space. Plenty of outdoor storage for beach toys. And what What could be better than a nice large open patio overlooking the lake? This home is on the green belt of the community, so no neighbors touching to the back of your home. And as inviting as this looks, it's even sweeter at night. Move around the exterior of the home, you can see a little bit better how the layout of space is. Mentioning on this home is the renovations were done around 2023. The air conditioner was replaced in July. It has had a roof over. The hot water tank has been replaced and the home was tented. This updated home has the split plan that people are looking for. Its renovated interiors could rival any HGTV project. A lovely oversized lot with a view of the lake, and all in a perfect, manageable size. Pescara Lake is located just about 15 minutes from our Gulf Coast beaches. It's a land lease park, 55 plus community with the clubhouse, billiards, a heated swimming pool, shuffleboard, library, exercise equipment with rec room and kitchen, lots of organized activities, and a dog park. That means, of course, Pescara Lake is a pet-friendly community with 2 pets up to 30 pounds each. Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now. For pricing and more details on this home, please see the description below the title, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to be notified for future videos.